Welcome to Le Podcast de Philippe, and this is the deep dive. Today we're going to be diving into L'Oreal and IBM's AI-powered beauty revolution. This is really exciting. I think it's going to change the entire beauty industry, and I've got just the expert to help us unpack it all.
Happy to be here.
So we've got L'Oreal, the biggest name in beauty, teaming up with IBM, a tech giant, to develop an AI model that's going to change the way cosmetics are created. More sustainable, more personalized, more innovative. It's a lot to take in, but that's why we're here, right? To break it all down. So first things first, what exactly is this AI going to do? We hear a lot about sustainability being a major focus.
Sustainability is huge for L'Oreal. They've set these ambitious goals for sourcing ingredients and reducing their environmental impact. And this AI is going to be key to reaching those goals. Think about it. It can analyze massive amounts of data to identify the most eco-friendly ingredients, optimize production, reduce waste, even predict the impact of changes to a formula.
So it's not just about making something that works. It has to work, be sustainable, and appeal to customers. That seems like a pretty tall order.
Definitely a tall order, but that's where the power of these foundation models comes in. Basically, you have an AI trained on everything. Every beauty formula ever created, every scientific paper, millions of customer reviews. It sees patterns, makes connections that humans simply wouldn't be able to.
It's like every scientist at L'Oreal having a superpowered research assistant.
Exactly.
That's incredible. But what I'm really excited about is the potential for personalized beauty products. What could that look like?
No more choosing from the same generic products for everyone.
Right.
This AI could analyze your skin, your hair concerns, even your lifestyle and environment, recommends or even creates products specifically for you.
So like a personal beauty consultant powered by AI.
Exactly.
That's amazing. But will we actually see this anytime soon? Or are we talking decades before this technology is available?
Well, it's still early days. L'Oreal and IBM are still developing the technology, but they are both committed to making this happen.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Yeah.
It seems like we're on the edge of a major shift in the beauty industry. It's not just about tweaking formulas anymore.
Right.
It's about using AI to create a completely new approach to beauty products.
Completely new.
And this is just the beginning. I think we're going to see this technology impact the whole industry.
I agree.
This is fascinating. But let's dig a little deeper into how this AI actually works. I'm still a little fuzzy on the details.
Let's do it. Okay, so we're talking about the nuts and bolts, how this AI actually works.
Yeah, I'm picturing scientists in the lab, but now they've got this AI by their side. How does that look in practice?
It all comes down to data. L'Oreal has a ton of information, decades of research, ingredient profiles, consumer feedback, everything. And IBM is helping them make sense of it. They're developing algorithms that can analyze it all and find real insights.
Okay, but what kind of insights are we talking about? Like, can you give me an example?
Sure, let's say the AI is looking at a shampoo formula. It might find an ingredient that works well but isn't very sustainable. Then it could search its database, thousands of other ingredients, and look for an alternative that's both eco-friendly and gets the job done.
So it's like a super-powered search engine for beauty ingredients. But instead of just giving you a list, it analyzes the data and actually makes suggestions.
Exactly. It's not just about finding information, it's understanding the relationships between ingredients, their properties, their sustainability, how they interact with different skin and hair types.
This is really interesting. So it's not just about creating new products. It can improve existing formulas too, make them more sustainable without sacrificing performance.
Absolutely. Think about a classic lipstick. The AI could analyze the formula, find ways to make it more sustainable, maybe swap out a synthetic ingredient for a natural one, but still make sure the color, the texture, how long it lasts, all stay the same.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
The possibilities really do seem endless. But going back to personalization for a second, you mentioned the AI creating custom products. How would that work?
Imagine taking a selfie and uploading it to an app.
Okay.
The AI could analyze your skin, see things like fine lines, dryness, whatever you're concerned about.
And then?
It combines that with your preferences, scents you like, textures you prefer, and recommends a moisturizer specifically for you.
No more staring at the shelves of the store, overwhelmed by a million different options.
Exactly. It takes the guesswork out of it. And it goes beyond just recommendations. Maybe you could even order a custom blended foundation that perfectly matches your skin tone. Or a shampoo for your exact hair and scalp type. That level of personalization has never been possible before.
This is really mind-blowing. It feels like the future of beauty. And you know what else I find interesting? This partnership between L'Oreal and IBM, It's not just about one company winning, it's pushing the entire industry forward.
Definitely. This is a game changer. It's setting a new standard for what's possible in beauty.
Yeah, it's amazing to think about where this could lead. But I do wonder about the challenges. Are there any potential roadblocks they might encounter? I mean, it's all exciting, but there are always challenges, right? Bringing something this big to life.
Of course, with any new technology, there are going to be challenges to overcome.
Like what? What kind of hurdles do you think L'Oreal and IBM might face?
I think data privacy is a big one. You're dealing with people's personal information, their skin, their hair, even their lifestyle choices. L'Oreal and IBM are going to have to be really careful about how they use that data.
No one wants to feel like their information is being misused, right? Like their beauty secrets are out there for anyone to see.
Right, transparency is going to be key. Building trust with consumers is essential.
Absolutely. What about the technology itself? Is there a risk that the AI could be biased or make bad recommendations?
That's definitely something to consider. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, so if that data is incomplete or biased, the AI could reflect that in its recommendations. L'Oreal and IBM will need to make sure the data sets they are using are diverse and representative, and they'll need to monitor the AI and make changes as needed.
So it's a balancing act between innovation and being responsible with the technology.
It is, but let's say they figure it all out. What kind of impact could this have?
Yeah. What could this AI-powered beauty revolution really mean for the world?
Well, on a personal level, I think we could see a huge increase in satisfaction with beauty products. Imagine everyone using products perfectly tailored to their needs, healthier skin, healthier hair, fewer allergic reactions, and just more confidence overall.
Yeah, no more trial and error, trying a million products to find one that works. That would be amazing. And what about sustainability? We talked about how important that is to L'Oreal.
Exactly. This AI could really change the game for sustainability in the beauty industry. They could reduce their environmental impact across the board, and if other companies follow suit, it could have a huge impact on the whole industry.
It's an amazing vision. A future where beauty products are better for us and better for the planet. That's a win-win for everyone. But what about jobs? Will this AI replace people in the beauty industry?
That's a common concern with AI, but I see it more as a collaboration than a replacement.
Yeah.
This AI will free up scientists and researchers to focus on more creative work. It's a tool to help them do their jobs better, not to replace them.
So it's about enhancing human capabilities, not getting rid of them.
Right, exactly.
This has been a really fascinating deep dive. I think it's clear that we're on the verge of a major shift in the beauty industry, and it's really exciting to see how this technology will shape the future.
It is exciting. It just goes to show that innovation can come from anywhere, and that by embracing technology and working together, we can create a better future.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks for having me.
And for all of you listening, thanks for tuning in to Le Podcast de Philippe. Be sure to subscribe to the channel on YouTube and like this video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and let's all keep working to make the world a little bit more beautiful.